Hello, my name is Bruce Outridge, and welcome to the Lead Pedal Podcast. I just want to share with you today some of the great things that people in the transportation industry are doing since the COVID-19 pandemic started. We have some amazing people that are doing some amazing things, and I'd like to thank all the truck drivers for doing what you're doing. So let's just take a look at some of the things that they're doing here, and so that you can see the amazing things they're doing. We have people like Shelley Uvenel-Hesch. Shelley Uvenel-Hesch took a trailer and actually took this trailer and had it designed along with Sharp Transportation and a number of other people to talk about flattening the curve and having people stay home and recognizing women in the industry, especially nurses, truck drivers, those kind of things. Way to go, Shelley. That's an amazing thing that you're doing. And then we have people like David Brown. So David Brown actually, him and his wife donated food to a food bank and got a beautiful testimonial about how much that gift really helped. So these are people in the transportation industry that are really stepping up. Let me introduce you to another place, which is, you may not know yet, but they're going to be on our podcast here in the near future here, and this is called Dock 411. Now, Dock 411 is actually an application where drivers can find loads, and we are going to be talking with them on May 6th. They're actually going to be on the podcast doing a total interview. But what they're doing is they are allowing people to use their program for free for the pandemic so that drivers can find loads and get themselves home. This normally is a cost. They're doing it for free. Congratulations to them for doing that, for sure. And then we have people like Chrome Supply Warehouse. You probably know these guys. They've been around for a long time. In fact, they're sponsors of ours. But Chrome Supply Warehouse is offering free snacks and curbside service for people. This is to help drivers. So if you're looking for a safe place to stop, you need a place with washrooms, you need a place to just relax, and you want some free water, coffee, and some snacks, Chrome Supply Warehouse is doing that. They're in Belleville, Ontario, just on the north side of the 401. So make sure you check them out. Thanks, Chrome Supply, for stepping up as always. And hey, I just want to let you know about this one here. You may know Kimberly Buyback works for Sharp Transportation, and I'm just trying to resize this for you here. So Kimberly Buyback created this small business forum, which is a program to help local small businesses figure out, try to track people, the ones that are still open, how can you use them. She's kind of put them all into this website, which is called Small Business Forum at smallbusinessforum.ca. And you can find businesses that are offering things through the pandemic, offering services, and just trying to keep the local economy going. Way to go, Kimberly. Great job there. And then we also have our friends over at Transwest. Now, you've heard Transwest on the program here many times. Transwest is also offering meals to all of their drivers. So what they've done is they've taken their kitchen staff, and instead of worrying about whether the drivers have access to food, access to facilities and stuff on the road, they have made sure that they have everybody all the meals. So the drivers just come in, and they're all a team operation. They have microwaves and stuff in the fridges. They get all the meals they need for that week or whatever time period they're going out. They take them all with them. And Mike Hahn, the recruiter, and his wife are doing that also on the Ontario side. So kudos to Transwest to stepping up for that kind of stuff. Way to go. And then someone you don't normally hear on the show here, but we've got Nal Insurance. Now, Nal Insurance, you probably associate them with Healthy Trucker. But one of the things that they're doing is, and by the time this comes out, they may have already done this, but they went to the truck stop, TA Truck Stop in Woodstock, Ontario, and they were giving free meals to truckers just to say thank you. So all of these people are in the transportation industry. Big thank you to Nal for stepping up for that. So all of these people are in the transportation industry, and they are stepping up and helping out however they can. We've always known in the trucking industry that if you are a truck driver, you are an essential service. We knew that way before everybody else. Once we started running out of toilet paper, everybody else seemed to figure that out as well. So a big kudos to all of these people, and there's might be many more that I don't know of. If so, please let me know. I'd be happy to talk about you here on the show. But I just want to give a shout out to these people and just say thank you for what you're doing. Thank you for all the truck drivers for what you're doing, but a big thank you to the ones that have stepped up from within the industry to help others, not necessarily ones in the industry, but to help others and to also say thank you to all of you. So from the Lead Pedal Podcast, may I say thank you to all of you, and thanks for listening to the show. Thanks for doing what you do. We try to remain a positive light in the industry and a positive voice, and we know what you do because we did it too. We appreciate you. Thank you for all you're doing. We'll talk again soon.